Hello everyone, welcome back to Business English with Ton. In this week's video, we are going on with the story about Modco, the manufacturing company we mentioned in the previous video. Okay, let's get started. Modco has outsourced many jobs previously done by in-house personnel. For instance, outside companies clean the offices, transport goods, and collects the money from customers. This allows Modco to concentrate on its main business activities. Modco uses more freelancers who are independent people and may work for several different companies. Modco also employs people for short periods on temporary contracts. The company expects its employees to be flexible. In other words, people should be able to move to different jobs when necessary. However, for the majority of employees, this means job insecurity. The feeling that they may not in their job for long or they're going to lose their job. Very usually, the way that employees are doing their job is discussed at performance reviews, which are regular meetings with their manager taking place once or twice a year. Let's talk about words used when someone loses their job. If you do something wrong, you're then dismissed, you're then fired, you're sacked, or you're terminated. If you've done nothing wrong, you're laid off, you're made redundant, or you're offered early retirement. Employees who are made redundant may get advice finding another job or retraining, etc. This is called outplacement advice. Alright, I think it's enough for today. See you in the next videos. Bye!